What's this? He's ready to tear up some asphalt, man.
Yeah, right?
There you go. He's ready for racing. Good gauges. There you go. T-buckets. No speed limit. Nice. There you go. Buy that car for what? $3,560 back then. Damn. You could tow a trailer even. There you go. Sweet. Nice. You got the red line tires. See, a lot of people don't know about the red line tires.
Yes, I do.
Equipment. Yep, a lot of people, young kids don't know.
I can remember this.
Oh yeah, I know. Yep. Me too. Look at that, guys. The hubcaps were an option. 69 Roadrunner. More cars, more Challengers. Rolling out. There you go. Sweet. Nice. Wow. This is craftsmanship, you guys. See that? You don't get this anywhere. Not no more. Corvettes. Wow. There you go. Nice. Very nice. Cool. Parking lots full of cars. 48 Chev.